Hello, it's Ashley here from Paper and Twine. It is just after 11 o'clock on Tuesday. It is baking hot already. Hopefully this will be a really quick one. I just wanted to show you some outgoing happy mail, some incoming happy mail, and do a VR for Dawn of Shiny Silver Treasures. So first of all, my outgoing happy mail, I'm not going to say who it's for. I've made a card and I've used scraps of paper that kind of coordinate together, and I've got a little element I'm going to put on here. I'm not going to show you that because it will give away who it's for. And then a little scrap of the branding page, Learn to Fly, I thought was quite sweet. Yes, I had fun making that, and I'm using up my pink envelopes. Yes, loving that. And then I've made, using this lovely paper from Graphic 45, one of those little envelope folios. If you'd like me to do a tutorial on this, let me know. Now, I haven't done a particularly good ribbon closure on this, but I have thoroughly enjoyed using this paper. I love it, and at least I'm using it and not hoarding it. So let's see if we can get in. So I've used 4 envelopes, and the idea is that you open it up like this, and I won't show you them all, but in each pocket there is a little card, and I've made the envelopes, and I've used some card that isn't white for a change to kind of pick up on the blue that is in. And this is one of the stamps that I got from BB Crafts. I'll be doing a little tutorial on that, and then thank you in French. So that's an example of what is inside the pockets. And because it's out of envelopes, it is quite fragile. So the way I like to do is I fold that in, that up, that up, and that over, and then this is what it looks like from the back. It's heavy. That's what it looks like from the back. Beautiful paper to work with, absolutely beautiful. The only difficulty is deciding which bits to use. So, and then I made an envelope. I should have made a box envelope really, but I've got the solids that came with this deluxe collector's edition, and I've used this green one with this lovely bird paper. Isn't it adorable? I absolutely love it. So let's see if I can tie this, loop it at the back. There we go. And then I've just used some bird washi tape to, well, it's not got the bird bit on it actually, but yeah, just some coordinating washi tape to keep that closed. It's a bit of a chonker. So I just got to finish that card and package it up. I've got Janet Kay's tags going out. I've made a little card for her. I've got Kath S's tin going out. I showed that the other day. It's not this one, but it's similar, very similar to this beach themed one. So it's the same images inside. I put patterned paper on the bottom of hers in a sea theme. Yeah, so if you're interested in a little tin, let me know, and I can make one for you if you're interested. Then I have got some incoming happy mail. I think it's a late entry to my challenge, judging by the name on the front of the envelope. This has arrived this morning. I have emailed the person. They asked had it arrived, and I said no, very sorry, but I said that when it did I would show it on the channel. Look at this little sand dollar paper, isn't that lovely? So I'm just going to take it off camera and open it very carefully, making sure I'm not cutting anything inside. And this is from Jenny, who is Jen's Creations, I think, on YouTube. We're fairly new to each other. Oh look, it's got my name on it. It looks like a little gatefold card. Look at the lovely little stickers, the turtle, the little Finding Nemo fish, oh, a little puffy shell sticker. Oh, that's so sweet. And this background paper is shells. Handmade with love, Jen's Creations 2021. Now, I don't know whether that is a stamp or whether that's your handwriting, but it is absolutely beautiful. You know I'm a sucker for nice handwriting. And look, it opens like this. So I think I might have to blur that out. But I've got details. Look at this. Beautiful. A little bit of napkin art there. That's really nice. And it's stitched at the bottom. I need to do that. And then I'm not sure what this is here. Jen, perhaps you could tell me, or Jenny, rather, perhaps you could tell me. Is it, I don't know, is it a kind of gilding or texture paste, just a little bit? Look at the adorable little iridescent gems. I just love those. Butterfly Beauty, 1 of 1, Jenny Truitt of Jen's Creations, June 2021. And I've got her details here. Her birthday is in November. Her YouTube is Jen's Creations. I shall leave a link below. She loves vintage, shabby chic, steampunk, yellow, mint, pink, lime green, hedgehogs, not lime green, hedgehogs, hummingbirds and butterflies. That's lovely. Thank you so much, Jenny. I'm really sorry it didn't arrive on time. Postage, you know. Ashley, congrats on reaching your 1-year anniversary from your cancer diagnosis. May there be many more celebrations. Bless you. Best wishes and crafty hugs from Texas. Oh, from Texas. Jenny. And look, this little tiny heart sticker. Oh, and I think this comes off. Oh, that's interesting. Ah, that's an interesting idea. Cool. Well, you will definitely be going in my ATC box. And I shall be keeping your card, and the details will be kept together. I shall use one of my paper clips that I've got to clip those together, or put them in a little envelope together. That is lovely. Thank you very much. And then finally today, I told you it would be a short one, although I'm nearly at 8 minutes. I'm doing a VR for Dawn of Shiny Silver Treasures. I know loads of you know her already, but she's doing a huge giveaway. She is thanking her subscribers. She's topped 2,000 subscribers. She's at 2,100 subscribers, I believe, if not more, which is an amazing achievement. I seem to have ground to a halt a little bit, which I'm perfectly happy with, but to have over 2,000 subscribers is just absolutely awesome. So I will leave a link to her rules down below. She's doing a points system, so you need to comment on her video, that'll give you a point. If you want to do a VR, that'll give you a point. So this is my VR. If you want to do an ATC, that will give you a point. And if you want to share in some other way, like on Facebook or Instagram, that will also give you a point. So there's a maximum of 4 points available. But as I say, I will leave a link to her video down below. Tomorrow, I'm hoping to come on with either my first wax melt video, I still haven't played, or it'll be my art journal page for Tracy Susan's art team challenge. It'll be one of those tomorrow. Not sure, it'll be quite late in the day because I've got other jobs to do. So do take care, everybody. Stay safe in the sun. The weather forecast says it's going to rain here at 3 o'clock today. I'm drivelling. Sorry, I'm going now. Thank you, everybody. See you soon. Bye.